Alright, lecture 3, video 3, just showing the code that I added. So starting off with the homepage.dart, this is a display of the homepage. This is where I added that radio button. So the add multiply, here's the divide. So this part I added expanded to make sure that the radio button had enough room to fit onto there, along with the title of divide. As you'll see over in the app, it is looped around to fit onto the page. So that's why that expanded is very important. Other than that, yeah, we added to that same controller group of the compute object type to make sure that only one was selected at a time. And yeah, so that's where we added that radio button onto the page. And then our controller, so it causes the home page controller that radio type change. Here it hits this radio type change right here, which yeah, it's the same as that. It's the same as the original code as far as that function, all because they're all the same type of radio type. But whenever you get down to the compute page, the compute controller, here you have the state that's sent over. And whenever that state is sent over and it's seen that you selected the divide option, it's like, it recognizes, oh, okay, this is the divide. So our result, we're going to go ahead and take the number 1 divided by the number 2. But yeah, so that's all the parts of the code that I added in. Thank you.